Making a Morse code telegraph. Morse code is a type of character encoding that transmits telegraphic information using rhythm. Morse code uses a standardized sequence of short and long sounds or pulses to represent the letters, numerals, punctuation, and special characters of a given message. The short and long pulses are generally referred as dots and dashes of a message. Morse code uses electric current to control an electromagnet that was located at the receiving end of the transmission wire. Let us see the model of the same. Morse code was invented by Samuel F. B. Morse, a painter of historic scenes. Morse code can be transmitted using sound or light, as sometimes happens between ships at sea. It is used in emergencies to transmit distress signals when no other form of communication is available. Requirements: 8 pieces of wood 10 cm by 5 cm by 3 cm, steel screws, nails, 2 steel hinges 5 cm by 2 cm, 2 thin saw blades about 8 cm long, insulated copper wire of 22 to 24 gauge, and one 4.5 volt battery. Method: first, we will make a key. Screw a saw blade to one end of the wooden piece with a screw. Fix another screw in the other end of the wooden board so that the saw blade almost touches it. Now let us make a sounder. Do wind 150 turns of insulated copper wire on a screw. Screw it into place on a piece of wood and fix the hinge with the help of the nails as shown in the picture. Leave a gap of about 2 mm between the hinge and the wound coil screw and let the hinge rest on a nail below it and thus design a sounder. Design another set of key and a sounder in a similar manner. Connect the keys and the sounders to the battery as shown. Testing the system. If we press key 1 so that the free end of the metal blade touches the screw underneath it, sounder 2 will click. If key 2 is pressed, the sounder 1 will click. Now you can send any message using the Morse code. If the key is pressed, the current flows through the coil wire and the screw becomes magnetic. It attracts the free arm of the hinge, and as a result, the hinge moves upwards, making a click. When the key is released, the hinge falls back to its old position. This is the principle behind the working of the Morse code telegraph. This method is still in use in telecommunication technology in many countries. Morse code. The picture shows the representation of letters and numbers transmitted in the form of dots and dashes.